Streamline your processes and easily automate every step of the contract journey with Oneflow for SuperOffice. Make it easy for your sales reps to create, negotiate, send, and sign contracts within SuperOffice. We'll show you how. You can create a Oneflow document from either a company, contact, or a sale in SuperOffice, but today, we'll show you how to make one from a sale. Choose a contract name to be able to differentiate it. Pick a workspace and a template. Then choose which contacts should be included as participants and choose their roles. Add an existing file attached to your sales or upload a new one. Then choose whether you want it to be an attachment or as an expanded PDF. Finally, choose if you wanted to create a contract as a draft in Oneflow or publish and send it directly from SuperOffice. Save time by syncing crucial data from SuperOffice into your contracts automatically. Your documents are attached down here as well, and you can upload additional ones if needed. Make it more personal by adding a video greeting to the contract. Then, once you're ready to send, simply add a message and a link to the contract will automatically be included. Shorten the time to negotiate with live editing. When the customer receives the contract, they can easily add information to the fields you've left empty. If there's anything else they'd like you to change from your end, they can just leave a comment in real time. There's no need to send a contract back and forth. As they requested, we'll add more products. The customer is happy, and now they're ready to sign, with legally binding e-signatures on any device. You can sign your contracts with the electronic IDs in the Nordic countries, or sign with email and an SMS authentication, even e-sign with one click. Stop chasing contract status. You can easily follow the status of the contract both within Oneflow and directly inside SuperOffice. Track when the prospect receives, opens, suggests changes, and signs. All updates will be shown on your activity log. Once all parties have signed, the status turns green and it will automatically be moved to closed one. You can also download the signed contract as a PDF. View the status of each contract within the Oneflow widget. You can always download or delete any of your signed contracts straight from SuperOffice. Oneflow for SuperOffice makes the contract process easier and faster than ever.